Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have a few different job leads in today's video. These are mostly non-phone, no talking jobs. I know that's what a lot of you are wanting, but I know some of you are interested in phone work, regular customer service jobs as well. Those seem to be the easiest work from home jobs to get. Please bear with me today as I get these job leads out. I do plan on getting some customer service job leads out to you later today. I apologize for yesterday for not getting as many job leads out. My full-time job kind of took over my life. It happens sometimes. Today's not looking any better, but I promise I have the job leads coming. But with that being said, of course, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. But not wasting any more time, some of these job leads will require degrees and some of them don't, so hopefully we have a little bit of something for everyone. First up, we have the company Honor. Now, Honor was founded in 2014, and they're a fast-growing non-medical home care company, and so they're trying to combine technology with operations with local and putting that personal touch on it. They do have 264 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a QA associate. And so they're basically looking for somebody to review their I-9s and check the I-9s for quality. Now, I-9s are like tax forms, so they're looking for somebody to review and manage their I-9s for their caregiver population. They hire in high volume remotely, and so all of their caregivers must ensure compliance each and every one of these new hires and new caregivers, because in that caregiver field, you want to make sure that everything is up to par because you're having these people go to other people's homes and give care. So the basis of the job is using their ATS system to manage a daily steady influx of submitted I-9s, reviewing the candidate's Section 1 for accuracy, and making sure there are no errors. Now, when you do find errors, you're going to return these documents to the candidates to redo and provide seamless customer support when receiving an accurate version in time for hire. You're going to execute those daily QAs of A9 Section 2, specifically the Section 2 on, A9. Oh my goodness, can't talk today. I9. You're going to specifically review the Section 2 on the I9 that's completed by the associates and identify and flag any errors. Now, when you are flagging these errors, you're going to give some coaching back of what the errors you found are and what needs to be fixed. So you're going to be supporting these direct new hires. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma, but they do want somebody who's 3 years in an HR-related position, somebody who's 2 years experience with I-9s, handling I-9s, so you know how to maintain these I-9s, how they're supposed to be filled out. They want somebody who has experience working with Google Suite, so like Google Sheets, Google Docs, slides, email, calendars, all of those things. Somebody who has great interpersonal skills and can manage a high volume of records and paperwork. Somebody who can identify problems quickly and effectively. If that is you, though, pay is anywhere from $22.75 an hour all the way up to $25.25 an hour. Moving right along, though, next up we have CrossFit. I know we've all heard of CrossFit. Yes, the exercise, get your heart flowing CrossFit. Now, CrossFit only has 109 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 3.9 out of 5-star rating, though. They are looking for a customer support specialist. Now, this is going to be a 6-month contract position, and their customer support is going to be through email with a little bit of a chat. They're looking for somebody to work directly with their stakeholders, including their affiliate owners, trainers, athletes, and members through email. You're going to play a role in supporting and advocating for the passionate and growing community. So you're going to respond to a wide variety of these inbound requests through email and sometimes chat. You're going to partner with cross-functional and field teams to make sure that there is a seamless handoff and resolution of these support requests. So if you need to hand it off to someone else to escalate it up, you're going to ensure that the news and updates are broadly communicated, producing and processing instructional documentation when needed. Now, unfortunately, this one, even though it's just sending these emails, they are looking for somebody who's a bachelor degree in a related field, somebody who's 2 years of customer service experience, and they do want somebody who has been a member of a CrossFit community. Other than that, you've got to be a problem solver and thrive in a fast-paced environment. Now, if you're interested in this position, they did not actually post the pay. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did a little bit of research and I found 2 different Glassdoor pages for support specialist at CrossFit. One pings the salary around $35,000 to $53,000 a year. And the other one pings at around $39,000 to $63,000 a year. So this is just an estimate before you apply if you know it's worth your time or not. All right, moving right along, we have the West Cary Group. Now, the West Cary Group is a full-service, minority-owned small business, and they are winning in marketing, communications, and advertising. They have a advertising agency headquartered out of Richmond, Virginia. So they specialize in performance-based marketing, and they pride themselves on measuring their contribution to business results. This, again, they only have 14 reviews on Glassdoor, so I urge you to always do your own research. They have a high employee satisfaction rating, though, out of those 14 reviews of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a proofreader. So they're looking for a proofreader to correct and enhance written financial services and banking content across different marketing and communication channels. So you're going to review written content for accuracy, clarity. You're going to be fact-checking these financial statistics or facts that are in the documents, correcting any errors in grammar, spelling, punctuation, and you'll cross-check between multiple documents in a project, making sure the same information is repeated in the documents and there's no errors or anything like that. You'll ensure these written materials adhere to their established style guidelines. So you're going to have to work interdepartmentally with different people that work with them, including writers, graphic designers, and editors, addressing any feedback to improve the overall quality of the content. So you've got this piece of content and the whole team is working on it, and you are doing your piece of checking the facts and making sure the grammar and everything is done. And then you have graphic designers and all doing all of those pieces for it. So you're going to be completing these proofreading tasks with timelines to meet project deadlines. So you are going to have to be somebody who works on deadlines. Now, one thing to quickly note, they only hire in certain states. Their states are listed right here. They do want a bachelor degree or a combination of education and professional experience is required. So if you have a lot of proofreading experience, you may not need that degree. But if you don't have a lot of experience, they are going to require a bachelor degree. They're looking for somebody who has knowledge in financial services like banking, things like that. Someone who has great English language skills, including grammar, punctuation, and spelling, strong attention to detail, and someone who has proven ability to manage time. So you've got to be able to be a great multitasker with time management skills. Pay for this position is anywhere from $42,000 a year all the way up to $50,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. And I do just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.